We're going to replace the fog lights on this 2004 Prius. The Prius uses a 9006 bulb for the fog lights. The fog lights are accessed from under the vehicle. We're going to start by removing these 3 bolts. Release the 3 clips from the bottom of the bumper cover. Pull the splash guard down. This is the fog light socket. Turn the socket a quarter turn clockwise and pull straight out. This is the release tab, and this is where it locks the bulb in place. Press the release tab and pull the bulb out of the socket. Press the new bulb into the socket until it locks in place. Insert the socket and turn a quarter turn counterclockwise to lock it in place. Move the splash guard into place and slide the fastener clips over the bolt holes. Insert the bolts and tighten. Locate the left side fog light. The 3 splash guard bolts have already been loosened to save time on the video. Slide the splash guard clips off of the bolt holes. Lower the splash guard out of the way. This is the fog light socket. Rotate the socket a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. This side is a little tricky because when you rotate the socket to unlock it, you actually create tension on the cable. Press the locking release tab and pull the bulb out of the socket. Press the new bulb into the socket until it locks in place. Insert the socket and rotate a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Raise the splash guard and slide the fastener clips over the bolt holes. Insert the 3 bolts and tighten. Here you can see the LED bulb on the left and the factory incandescent bulb on the right. While not obvious in the video, the LED bulb is a little bit brighter than the factory incandescent bulb. More importantly for us, it's a brighter white color that better matches the factory high-intensity discharge headlights. The electrical system does not monitor the bulbs, so there's no need for load resistors or special LED bulbs. This is the LED bulb that we installed in the video. We also tested this much brighter BeamTech headlight bulb. But an integrated bulb shield prevented us from realizing the additional light output, so we went with the cheaper bulb. View the description for the specific parts that we used in this video. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check out our other interesting videos on a variety of different topics.